In this video, we will learn how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. If you're having issues in your PC related to Fortnite not launching, there are some fixes you can do. But firstly, make sure that you go ahead and restart your PC. So go to the Windows button, right click, then from the shutdown or sign out setting, click on restart, then follow the rest of the video. After your PC has been restarted and your Fortnite is still not launching, all you need to do is head to the search panel. From here type Epic Games Launcher. Then click on open. Now let the launcher load. So what we're gonna do is we will just verify the game file of Fortnite. In order to do that, we'll head to the library. From here, we'll search for Fortnite. Now here you can see Fortnite. We need to click on the three dot on the right hand side of Fortnite, then go to manage. From here, we'll click on verify. After clicking on the verify button, our game files will be verified. This will take some time, but Epic will try to solve any issues that are happening because of any missing game file and download it for you. Now we'll just wait. After the verification process is done, you can just click on launch and Fortnite should open without any error. Now as you can see, the game has launched without any issues. Now we can play Fortnite and enjoy like previously. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.